got going on here? The scariest bird sounds in the world, part 3.
Bastard.
Why would you call it that? What the hell? You don't even know his family dynamics. You know what I'm saying? He don't got control of what happened with his mom and dad. It's crazy. That's
Screaming pie hat.
a screaming pie? Sound like a police siren.
Horn screamer.
A horn screamer. Is that a dog trapped in a bird body? I don't want to hear that at night.
Show Bill.
Oh yeah, we know what you sound like. A goddamn dinosaur! Yep, this is when you know somebody that messed up at the plants.